Pakistan is a land of diverse culture and rich history. Let's take a closer look at some of the key aspects that make Pakistan so unique. Culture. The markets of Pakistan are a sensory experience like no other. From the smells of spices to the vibrant colors of fabrics, the markets are a feast for the senses. The people of Pakistan are known for their warm hospitality and friendly nature, which adds to the cultural richness of the roads. The Karakoram Highway is one of the highest paved roads in the world and offers breathtaking views of the mountains and valleys of Pakistan. The country's road infrastructure has seen significant improvements in recent years, making it easier for people to travel and connect with each other. Religion. Islam is the dominant religion in Pakistan, and the country is home to many historical mosques and shrines. The Badshahi Mosque in Lahore is a stunning example of Mughal architecture and is one of the largest mosques in the world. Food. Pakistani cuisine is known for its rich flavors and variety. From spicy curries to savory biryanis, Pakistani food is a treat for the taste buds. The country's street food culture is particularly famous, with vendors selling everything from samosas to kebabs on the streets. Historical buildings. Pakistan is home to many historical buildings that are a testament to the country's rich history. The Lahore Fort, for instance, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site that dates back to the Mughal era. The fort is a must-visit for anyone interested in architecture and history. Sports. Hockey is the national sport of Pakistan, and the passion for the game runs deep in the country. The Pakistan cricket team has a strong legacy and has produced many world-class players over the years. Pakistan is a country with much to offer, from its stunning architecture and natural beauty to its friendly people and rich culture. It is a country that is full of potential and is poised for a bright future. Would you want to visit Pakistan? Tell us in comment.